Now see, it is magic. What happened? We will see that when Aisha wake up in the morning, no, that time her ummi was suffering from the fever. Her ummi means what? Her mother. And that time Abbu means her father made some tea and went to give medicine to ummi. And he told to Aisha, you boil eggs. Also put some salt in the water. Aisha took water in a pot and by mistake she put too much salt into the water, and she saw the eggs at the bottom of the pot come up a little and start to float into the water. So when she went to the boil water, no, that time what happened, by mistakenly she added lots of water, too much water, too much salt into the water, and then she observed the eggs at the bottom of the pot, no, come up a little and start on the floating on the water. When we added too much water in the water, no, that time egg will automatically come up and it will start to on floating. Same like take you have to do this experiment. You can do this experiment with lemon. Now I am going to do this. For this we need 1 glass of water. See, I took 1 glass of water and 1 lemon. Just water. We have to remove this water from this glass and put lemon into the water. And when we added salt, no, see, you have to add the salt and stir it. You have to mix it well. Your lemon will come up and start to float on the water like eggs. You can see lemon is floating on the water. So lemon start to float. After adding salt, no, the water become thicker, and that's why thus the lemon started floating on the water. Same this happened when you boil egg and when you added too much salt into the water. That time after adding salt, no, the water become thicker, and that's why our egg start on float into the water. So that's it. Now see, Dead Sea. We will learn about Dead Sea. What is Dead Sea? It is also called salt sea. It is very salty. It is salty than other ocean. All oceans and sea have salty water, right? But the saltiest of all is the Dead Sea. How salty? Now you cannot imagine it. See, in the 300 grams of salt in 1 liter of water, would you able to even taste such salty water? No, we cannot taste such kind of salty water. It is too much salty. It will be very bitter, and interestingly, even if person does not know how to swim, she will not drown in this sea. Means in Dead Sea, no one can swim and no one can sink into the sea water, because there is a lots of amount of salt present in this water. That's why we will not drown into the water. We will float on the we will float on this water of Dead Sea, and as if lying down on it. You can see this person is not is floating on the he is floating on the water. He will not drown in the water. Now remember the lemon you floated in the salt water. As I shown you in the experiment, when we added lots of salt into the water, that lemon will start to float on the water. And like egg also, when we added lots of water in water, when we boil the egg, that time automatically that egg will start on floating on the water. Same like that. In the Dead Sea, there is lots of amount of the salt. That's why we cannot swim into this ocean, and people will not drown into the sea. They will not sink into the sea. They will float on the water. Now where is this Dead Sea? It is located Jordan and between Jordan and Israel. East side of Jordan and the west side of the Israel. Between Jordan and Israel there is a Dead Sea. Now see what is dissolve and what did not. What is meant by dissolve means what? Dissolve means what? Mix ho jana, to get mix. So which thing will dissolve, which things can dissolve into the water and which things will not dissolve into the water, that we will see. Dissolve means what? Mix ho jana, to get mix in water. Which things can mix in the water? Salt and sugar. Dissolve means what? Insoluble, that things will not mix into the water. That's called insoluble substance. It is oil and mud and turmeric also, chalk powder also. So soluble substance means dissolve into the water, get mixed into the water, like salt and sugar. This substance can dissolve into the water. Soluble substance we can call them. Then insoluble substance means what? Insoluble substance means substance which do not mix into the water, do not get mixed into the water completely, like oil and mud. Now we will see by experiment which things will dissolve into the water, which thing will not dissolve into the water. See, on Sunday Aisha cousin brother Hamid come to her house to play. As soon as he come, he asks his aunt to make his favorite shakkar para, a sweet dish. It is a sweet dish which are made from the sugar. Ammi said, let me come back from the market, then I will make some for you. Why don't you help me? Why you don't help me? Then take 2 glasses of water and put bowl of sugar in it. So Ammi is offering to Aisha's cousin, you should help me. So take 2 glasses of water and put bowl of sugar in it. Means in 2 glass water, it need to add 1 bowl of sugar to prepare to make shakkar para. Mix it till it's dissolved. Dissolve means what? Get mixed. Then Hamid thought, let me finish this work fast, then I will watch TV. So what he thinking? He was thinking, let me finish this work fast. So suggest some ways to Hamid for quickly dissolve the sugar. For quick dissolve sugar, which things you can suggest to Hamid? We can stir this, means we can stir this sugar into the water completely. Then we can make powder for adding the sugar fast into the water. Then we can boil the water and we can make shakkar pak also for making this shakkar para easily and faster. So this is our remedy to get sugar mixed fastly, rapidly into the water. What is that? Stirring, then boiling. Okay, then making fine powder of sugar. Then we can add this fine powder into the water. Then it will be take less time to add it. Now see, do this experiment. Make group of 4 friends. You have to make 4 friends group. Then for this experiment, you need 4-5 glass or bowls with fill water, spoon, water, then the things list in the table. Take some water in each glass and now try to dissolve one thing. Okay, which things we needed? Salt, sugar, chalk powder, 1 spoon meal and oil. Now I am going to show this experiment to you.